Are you ready to making money on life your lifestyle? Do you feel and you're like, okay, these people have talked a lot about making money online. I want also to be part of them. Please, this is your chance. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I shouldn't hold a smartphone and beg for bread. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the best whys. I can say 5 best whys why you should start making money online. Okay? You should start. If you know you didn't start yesterday, if you know you didn't start last year, at least start making money today. And in this video, don't expect that you're going to start, if you start today, you're going to get money. No, everything has a foundation. Are you hungry? Are you having a zeal? Have you been asking God for an idea? And maybe you're not among the people who have that huge capital to start businesses. You're not among the people who have friends to come up and say, okay, let's start do this business, and they are faithful. You're not among the people who will go to the bank and say, I want 100 million US dollars, I want 10,000 US dollars, I want 5,000, because you don't have collateral. In fact, you don't have something to put, something to show. This video is right for you. I'm going to give you 5 to 10 best why, and these best why are based on me and from other few people that have been online, and even genuinely, it is with the naked eye. Even a blind person can see that these best whys are right. These best whys should be an engine for you and me to start thinking of rushing, running, and we make sure that at least we should start this project of making money online. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. I'm Christine, your lady, the lady that says I should never hold a smartphone and beg for bread. Let's beg for something. Let's beg for bigger things. Yeah, you can beg in a month, you can beg in 2 months, but as you grow, you shouldn't be begging for bread. So, guys, this is a disclaimer. I don't want you to say, hey, Christine, Immaculate Show told us if you start making money online project, you're going to be a millionaire. Baby girl, no. It's a disclaimer. These videos are all for education purposes. The moment you come across Immaculate Show, get to know that Immaculate Show brings tips. Immaculate Show brings topics. It brings educational tips that you build on it, you step on it, it gives you hints. Then 10% from there, you can fry. If you want to research, go and research. I encourage everybody to research and get the gist and get the foundation, get the board. For us, we give you just small things. So get to know this is an educational video. Before I dive into my best whys, the 10 best whys, I would love you people to give a clap, our best engagers, our royal fans, our top fans, our sisters, our family, our brothers, the people that have chosen to be royal to Immaculate Show. We have not given a bribe for them. Do you know, being anytime that a day, twice a day, you allow somebody to be on your screen, we don't take that for granted. God bless you for us. Thank you very much. You know yourselves. If you know you've just come to this video for the first time, please, you're most welcome. We don't take it for granted, because 10 people that watch these videos, it means we are talking to you, 10 people. I imagine you, I put you in a room and I talk to you. I just say thank you. I don't take it for granted. If you've not subscribed, I don't say subscribe, but if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. And also you can send it to somebody to know why you should make sure that you start making money online with that damn phone of yours. Let's dive in, you guys, and see why. Why? One, it is financial freedom. Financial freedom, I give it 100% plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I give it to it. Why do I say financial freedom? The moment you start using your phone, your best why should be, I want to be financially free. That's why you see, I tell you, I should not hold a damn phone, a smartphone, and beg for bread. Beg for bigger things, but not for bread. So financial freedom, it does not mean that it's going to make you become bigger, wealthier, and become like Madivan in a short time. No. A smartphone gives you that why, expands it. It gives you different opportunities. It gives you different branches, different sources. And in these different sources, the financial freedom, if you go to our YouTube in the playlist of Making Money Online, you'll find very many videos. We have different ways of earning money with just your smartphone. So financial freedom, are you doing content? It will give you. Are you going for digital marketing? It will give you. Are you going for freelancing? Are you going for digital marketing? All these ones, it will give you. So this is the biggest why, and I'm giving it 100 over 100 because financial freedom is what you need, is what I need. Whether you're a Muslim, whether you're a Catholic, whether you're a Protestant, every person, even the witches and wizards, they want to be financially free. The day you're not financially free, there are very many associated challenges that you'll get. If I'm talking about financial freedom, I don't mean that for you to own the bank. No. But at least, you know, every day I have money. That is number one. The second why is passive income. It would have come as number one, but you do not have no. For you, the moment you start using your smartphone, passive income is sure for you. I'm not meaning that if you start a smartphone, you will see money flowing, you wake up and see it. No. It is the way for you to drive to passive income. Passive income, what is it? Passive income is that the income you get even when you're sleeping. It is that income even when you're sick, you will not fail to eat, you'll see money is coming. It is that income that something you did 5 years back still brings you money. It's that income that every day it generates itself. You do once and it continues coming. Can I call it generation? No, it's passive income. That is my second why. The third why is time freedom. As a human being, we need to be free as time is concerned. You should be having a way of being with your family. Most of us were not with our families because we don't have financial freedom and we don't have passive income. So we cannot have freedom with our families. That social freedom, I can call it like that. But the moment you start using your smartphone, if you wake up, you don't want to work. I'm not saying that if you start making one online project, you should stop work. No, if you stop work, you're on your own. Because you cannot build a day. You cannot build a house in a month, a business in a month. So I'm not saying that you stop work. But if you're making money online, if you have some passive income, there is that day you wake up and say, today I'm not going to work. You get up for us, excuse me, I'm not going to. Not disrespectful, but at least you know there's something that backs you up. So there is that time freedom. You have your home. Now, another another big why is building skills. You guys, building skills should be on top notch. This smartphone, it can make you build different skills, provided you have your smartphone. And you say, what are the skills? You know the skills that I'm talking about. Put in the comment section the skills that you know, that you can develop with a smartphone. So if you know you're hungry, if you know you've been longing to be financially free, to have social freedom, to have passive income, to sleep and feel that, no, baby girl, this is my life. Get your phone, look at it and speak to it from today as you watch this video, depending on where and when you're going to watch this video. If you know you have not started, get that damn phone and say, from today, I have to be financially free. I have to be socially free.